Hey makeup lovers! Today, I'm diving into the world of white Kajal and showing you how to use it to make your eyes pop like never before. Whether you're a makeup newbie or a seasoned pro, these tips will have you rocking stunning eyes in no time. So let's get into it. First up, why should you even bother with white Kajal? Well, it's not just a trend, it's a game changer. White Kajal can make your eyes look bigger, brighter, and more awake. Plus, it pairs beautifully with both bold and subtle makeup looks. It's versatile for both day and night styles. Amazing, right? Now let's start with selecting the right white Kajal. You want a high-quality, smudge-proof and long-lasting option. Some top picks are Maybelline New York Giant White Kajal, NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk, Lakme Iconic White Kajal, and Rimmel London's White Soft Kohl Kajal Eye Pencil. These will give you the best results. Before applying, prep your eyes. Clean your waterline and eyelids to remove any grease or dirt. Use an eye cream to keep your eyes from drying out. And if you have dark circles, a bit of concealer will give you a polished look. Now for the fun part, applying white Kajal on the waterline. Gently pull down your lower eyelid and glide the Kajal smoothly along the waterline. Don't press too hard to avoid discomfort. For a more dramatic effect, you can go over it again. Want to try something bolder? Use white Kajal as eyeliner. Draw a thin line along your upper lash line and smudge it a bit for a softer look. You can even pair it with black eyeliner for added definition. So chic. For a quick brightening effect, apply white Kajal to the inner corners of your eyes. Dab a tiny bit on your fingertip or a brush and apply it to the inner corners. This instantly makes your eyes look more awake and lively. Worried about it smudging throughout the day? Set your Kajal with a white eyeshadow to keep it in place. And a setting spray will add extra durability. Just remember, don't rub your eyes. Let's talk about different styles you can try with white Kajal. For a natural everyday look, a simple swipe on the waterline will do wonders. For something more dramatic, combine white Kajal with smoky eyes. Think dark eyeliner for a striking contrast. Feeling artsy? Go for white graphic eyeliner and add some colorful eyeshadow for a modern twist. And for a hint of glam, use white Kajal as a base and top it with some glitter. Gorgeous! Avoid common mistakes like applying too much Kajal, which can look odd. Always blend well to avoid harsh lines and adjust your application based on your eye shape. And don't forget to use a primer to avoid smudging. If you have sensitive eyes, consider hypoallergenic options like Clinique Quick Liner for eyes intense in white, Physicians Formula Eye Booster, Gel Eyeliner in white, or Almay Gel Smooth Liner in white. They're gentle and effective. To wrap it up, white Kajal is a fantastic way to enhance your eye makeup and make your eyes look bigger and brighter. Experiment with different styles and find what works best for you. Let me know in the comments which white Kajal look is your favorite. Fake use. Can you use white Kajal every day? Absolutely. Just pick a high-quality, smudge-proof product. Is white Kajal good for all skin tones? Yes, it complements all skin tones beautifully. Can it be used as eyeliner? Definitely. You can even create artistic graphic liner styles. How do you remove white Kajal? Use micellar water with a cotton pad or a gentle makeup remover for easy removal. Now, go ahead and try these pro tips to apply white Kajal like a boss. Embrace this beauty trend with confidence. See you next time.